Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by melting or softening 1/2 cup butter. This controls texture, so choose room temperature for chewiness. Once done, cream butter with 3/4 cup sugar and 1/2 cup brown sugar until light. This traps air for lift. Next, add 1 egg and 1 tsp vanilla, mixing just until homogeneous because overmixing develops gluten. Meanwhile, sift 1/4 cups flour, 1/2 tsp baking soda, and a pinch of salt to ensure. Once your dry and wet components are ready, add the sifted flour mixture in 2 additions. You reduce gluten formation this way, preserving tenderness. Mix just until streaks disappear. This keeps brownies dense, not cakey. Then fold in 1 cup chocolate chips. Fold gently because aggressive stirring will change texture. Make sure to reserve a few chips for the top and press the batter into a lined 8x8 pan, spreading evenly so baking is uniform across the slab. Preheat oven to 175 degrees and bake the cookie brownie hybrid for 20 to 25 minutes. You want moist crumbs on a toothpick, not raw batter. Once out, cool fully in the pan because residual heat continues to set the center. Make sure to let it reach room temperature before slicing to get clean squares. If your batch turns dry, brush a light simple syrup or chocolate glaze to restore moisture, and note to lower bake times slightly on your next run to prevent overbaking.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.